Bought a
Caller.
house in the San Fernando Valley a little over a year ago,
Yes.
and at the time we bought it, it was around the peak of the market, and we have put around $150,000 into remodeling the house,
Okay.
and I'm wondering if we're going to realize the increased value in our home, and if so, when? And a related question is, we're thinking about landscaping the house, which would be another $50,000, and is that a worthwhile investment?
Okay, so you bought your house at the top of the market. You put $150,000 into making the house your home and upgrading and remodeling it. Let's just assume her house is owner-occupied, obviously. They did buy it at the top of the market, and they are planning on staying in the house long-term. Well, putting $150,000 in your home, upgrading, is going to do nothing but add value to your home. And one of the things is, when you're keeping a home long-term, to start with, the best solution for real estate is always to buy and hold, as far as, especially for investments. But for an owner-occupied home, if you're going to keep the home, putting money in your home is always going to benefit you in the long run if you do it in the right way, the smart way, thus starting with the kitchens and bathrooms, because they add the most value to your home, and then upgrading from there. And in the future, our market, LA is a very high demand area. We have more people moving into LA every year than leaving. Okay, so we have a lot of industry here in LA. We have a lot of people wanting to live here, and unfortunately our affordability is only 13%. So caller, you're one of the lucky ones that owns your owner-occupied home, because only 13 people out of 100 can afford to do so. And the market will continue to go up and appreciate in value. So don't worry about losing your investment there, because it will do fine in the long run. Another thing I wanted to say about landscaping: if you do landscaping the smart way, you wanted to put $50,000 in, there's dollar for dollar if you do it correctly and do it, especially affecting your curb appeal in the front of your house. Dollar for dollar, you'll get that back in the appraisal as well. But again, if you're planning on keeping your home long term, back in the 50s, the homes in the valleys were $10,000, $15,000, and those same homes today are $500,000, $600,000, $700,000. So when you're keeping homes for a long term, your properties will always do well with time and value and compounding of money.